Okay, class, so today in our workstation, we are going to be playing a game, spin and make 2 equal parts or fair shares. We are going to be working in groups of 2. The tallest person out of you and your partner is going to be going to be the player 1, and they're going to go first. Player 1 is going to go ahead and take the game board that we have right here. They're going to go ahead and spin the spinner once. So we're going to spin, and they went ahead and we landed on a triangle. So if I was playing the game, whichever shape that you land on will be the shape that you are going to partition into 2 equal parts or fair shares. So you will create your shape by using the Play-Doh that we have. You're going to go ahead and flatten out your Play-Doh like this. And then you're going to take the 2-dimensional shape cutters that we have already in that goes along with the board game. So we'll take those and we'll place it on top. From there, we are going to use our Play-Doh cutter, and we are going to cut our 2D shape. So once you have cut your 2D shape, you're going to have something like this. So right here we have a rectangle, and then we're going to go ahead and use our Play-Doh cutter and partition it into 2 equal parts or fair shares. So we'll go ahead and cut that, and then we're going to go ahead and have 2 equal parts, okay? So we'll go ahead and we'll leave that right there on our desk. We're going to leave it on our desk. And now player 2 will go ahead and do the same thing. So player 2 will go ahead and spin the game. Okay, and they landed on a hexagon. So if I was playing the game, again, we would be creating a hexagon for our shape. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and flatten out your Play-Doh like so. And we'll do the same thing. You'll use the stencils that are provided. Go ahead and cut around it. And right now we are using a pentagon that we have. So with our pentagon, we're going to use our Play-Doh cutter and partition it into 2 equal parts. Remember, 2 equal parts or fair shares. So I'll go ahead and cut it and partition it. And then right now we have 2 equal parts or fair shares from the pentagon. So from there, you will go ahead and go back and forth with you and your partner. If you spin and land on a shape that you already have partitioned, you are going to go ahead and spin the game again, spin the board game, and then you will keep spinning until you land on a shape that you have not partitioned yet. So everybody will you and your partner will keep going back and forth to continue to partition the shapes, leave them on your desk. Afterwards, you are going to go ahead and get your foldable out that we have created already. And what you're going to do is after you have finished partitioning your shapes with the Play-Doh, you're going to draw the shape that you have for the pentagon, and you're going to partition it and show where you partitioned your shape, okay? Then from there, you will keep doing the same thing with the circle. This is one of the ways that we can partition it. And you will keep going back and forth and finishing until you finish your foldable. When you are done, I will go ahead and pick up these foldables, but I want for you guys to go ahead and write your name on the back and the date as well. I will pick those back up. If you guys do need any type of help, we are going to go ahead and have little index cards that are hints to help you partition the shapes if you need help. They will have what equal parts mean, questions that'll keep you thinking. So go to these if you do need help. When you guys are finished, and I have picked up your stuff, please go ahead and put all of the game board pieces back together. And we are going to go ahead and place the Play-Doh back into our cups, the correct one, and sit quietly until everyone has finished.